Before you dive into purchasing Creation e-commerce, there are 7 essential things you need to know to ensure you're making a smart decision. Whether you're looking to start an online store or switch from a competitor, understanding these points will save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Let's get into it. First off, the platform offers a seamless and user-friendly setup that's perfect for entrepreneurs at all levels. Whether you're a complete newbie or have some experience in e-commerce, you'll appreciate how intuitive the interface is. Unlike some competitors that throw you into a steep learning curve, Creation e-commerce prioritizes simplicity without sacrificing power. This makes the platform much more approachable than others like Shopify or BigCommerce, which can sometimes feel overwhelming at first. Next thing, you'll want to consider the pricing structure. Creation e-commerce is known for being highly competitive when compared to the likes of Wix or Squarespace, which can add up quickly with hidden fees and upsells. With Creation, you get a clear pricing model without unexpected charges creeping up on you. The cost effectiveness makes it an appealing option, especially if you're just starting out and don't want to drain your budget. The third thing to note is the wide variety of templates and customization options. Many e-commerce platforms limit your creativity with rigid themes or designs that can't be adjusted much. However, Creation offers flexible, fully customizable templates, allowing you to truly personalize your store without needing to know how to code. This is especially a game changer when compared to Shopify, which often requires third-party apps or developers to achieve a unique look. Now, let's talk about features. Creation e-commerce comes loaded with powerful integrations that streamline operations. From payment gateways to inventory management, the platform ensures everything works smoothly. You don't need a separate tool for everything. Most of your essential e-commerce needs are built right into the platform. When compared to others like WooCommerce, which requires more plugins, Creation gives you more built-in tools right off the bat. The fifth thing is customer support. With many e-commerce platforms, support can sometimes feel like an afterthought. However, Creation offers 24/7 support with knowledgeable staff that can assist you in real time. Whether it's a technical issue or a question about how to optimize your store, you're not left hanging. In comparison, competitors like Squarespace can be slow to respond, which can lead to costly downtime. The sixth thing to remember is the scalability. As your business grows, so too should your platform's capabilities. Creation e-commerce is designed with scalability in mind, meaning you won't have to worry about outgrowing it as your store expands. Whether you're adding more products, increasing traffic, or growing into new markets, Creation can handle it all with ease. This is something that sets it apart from smaller platforms that can become limiting once your store gets busy. And finally, the integration with marketing tools. If you want to drive traffic and increase sales, you need solid marketing capabilities, and Creation delivers. From SEO tools to email marketing and automated campaigns, the platform is packed with features to help you promote your products. Unlike competitors that require third-party apps or additional subscriptions to access these tools, Creation keeps it all in one place. So, if you're looking to start your own online store or just want to switch from your current platform, Creation e-commerce offers an impressive range of features, flexibility, and pricing that make it a top contender. But here's the best part. If you want to try out Creation e-commerce for yourself, you can click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial offer and some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Remember, when you're choosing a platform for your e-commerce business, it's crucial to go with one that's not just easy to use but also offers all the features you need to succeed. Creation e-commerce checks all the boxes, so don't wait. Get started today.